Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Today I'll show you how to fold samosa pockets, or how to generally make some samosa folds. You will need already made cutout dough pastry and a mixture of flour and water, a paste. Then you will have to use your fingers and spread a thin flour paste and fold the pastry into a triangle shape. You take a pastry, try to hold it from the sides, bring it to the middle, both sides to the middle, and voila, use your paste to hold it together, to put it together in shape. There you go. Then keep repeating the process until all your samosa pastry is done. Then you can put on your filling. Hope this video is helpful.